what the average true range says about this market. Hi, it's Charlie giving you Wednesday's video. Hope you're very well. I was just looking at the ATR for the euro. My ATR on my charting package comes out around about 330 pips. This is on a monthly chart here. I'm looking at the euro dollar. If I take you to a daily chart, I'm recording this at 8:45 nearly on Tuesday evening. Take you to the daily chart. Massive update here today. But what I'm interested really in is the monthly chart. So we've got an average true range of 330 or so pips. So far, it's already done a range, and we're only on the 1st of December, but on the monthly chart there, it's already done a range of around about 130, 140. The average true range is 330 odd. So it's got the potential to expand its range yet over the rest of December by around 200 pips. That would be to take it to its average range. Now, some months aren't, not every month does its average range. It's an average. Some months are smaller ranges than others. Some months are bigger than the average as well. So I'm just laying it out there that the euro dollar still has another 200 pips of range within it. So which way is it going to be? Is it going to be down? And we see this euro dollar get ultimately rejected again from this 120 level, and so we're at 120.60 at the moment. Does it get rejected and we come back down, and therefore it would need to come all the way back down to 116 or so in order to create that range? Or does it go to 122.50? Ooh. There you go, some food for thought on the euro dollar and the ranges. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. Its average true range. And this is actually a good thing to do, whether you're a swing trader or a day trader, just to get an idea at the beginning of the day, if you're a day trader, because sometimes markets can be quite small in the early part of the day, so you know that they've got the scope. If you look at their average daily range, you can see, okay, it's got scope, and if you're getting into a long side trade, and you know that it's still got plenty of scope in it, then you can start to work out targets based on that as well. As same as with swing trading and higher time frame analysis as well. So with gold, it's got an average range here on the monthly of $113. So it's already done a bit as well today, but effectively, let me have a quick pause and have a look at the range. It's done about $40 so far. So it's got about roughly another $70 in it. Now, this either means that it's going to go $70 lower than its low or $70 higher than where it currently is. Again, it's an average, and we are going in December, and we're going into festivity season, so these markets might actually have smaller ranges, but it's not always guaranteed. People think, oh, it's the holidays, the markets will go dead. No, not always. I'll do another video closer to Christmas and show you, but they don't always go really quiet. So that's gold. Let's go and have a look at another one. So I'm looking at the Dow now. This is a monthly chart of the Dow. We can see it's got an average monthly range. It has done for this year. Well, currently it's at 2,350. Again, it's not guaranteed that it's going to do 2,350 points, but it gives you a guide so that it has the potential to do that, so or somewhere close to that. So at the beginning of the month, we know that there's plenty of scope to do a couple of thousand points there on the Dow. Is it going to go a couple of thousand points higher or lower, or do a bit of both? Because obviously they don't have to just go in one direction, they can do a bit of both as well. So there you go, a little bit of food for thought, just to I think it's useful, as I said, just to give you again some perspective at times on sorry, get rid of that. When you're looking at charts, just to sometimes have a look at it from a different angle, and sometimes actually having a look at the ATR just gives you a different perspective. So coming back to some of these charts like euro dollar or whatever, to say, oh, okay, yeah, there's on the euro or on gold, this isn't done. We're on the 1st of December. Now, is it going to sell off? Like I've said, same with gold. They're going to sell off, or they're going to carry on going higher. If you've got some analysis, then you can then start to hopefully use some of that ATR information to help you in conjunction with that analysis. So if I wanted to be long euro dollar, I know that it's got the potential to do another 200 points. It's not guaranteed, but it's certainly the potential there. Or it could do another couple hundred points to the downside. We'll have to see. So Just food for thought, depending on your view on these markets. Take care for now. I'll see you for live trading this Friday. Take